everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right-hand corner. When you do, I'll get you subscribed to our channel. I'll let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box, Pack 10, Blast, or Digital Wax Break, or just an oddball Wednesday. Today we got the WWE 2021 Trading Cards Hobby Box. Done a couple of these in the past, and hopefully trying to complete a set we're working on. We just need a couple more parallels. We have a master set. Before I get to that though, you know what you got to do? Leave me a comment. When you do, I need you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for that monthly giveaway, which is a 10 filled with number cards, pillow cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 will be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker is stuffed full of number cards, pillow cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, printed cards, sketch plates, 101s, and a whole bunch of autographs. Because with every break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today, as a bonus, I'm throwing in a Finn Balor numbered matte relic card. Yowzers. My 2 autos are going to be CJ McElroy, and we got Jonathan Crawford on card auto. So these 2 autos and this matte relic card from Finn Balor is going into the flawless briefcase. You want a chance at those? Just leave a comment. All right, here we go. Let's see what we get out of this. Alrighty. Give us something good. Alright. Okie dokie. And I think we get, what do we get? I think we get a couple autographs in here, right? Right? Don't we get 1 autograph at least? I think we get 1 autograph, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. What kind of stuff can we get in here? RKOs, that's what we need. Dark greens. Film cards. Yep, had those. Alright, let's get some autographs. Alright, cool. Alrighty, pack number 1, Cesaro. Alright, Drew McIntyre, Montez Ford. Coolest mixed tag teams, maybe that's what I need. Natalia. Maybe we'll get like a film cell relic. Wait a second. What's going on? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dakota Kai. Randy Orton. Sonya Deville. What is... Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Second pack. Here we go. We got a hit. Candice LeRae. And we've got a printing plate. Holy cow. Of an autograph printing plate. Snap. Of Superstar Roster Autograph Variation 2021 Topps WWE Trading Card. Wow. AKL Keith Lee. This is the actual yellow printing plate used to manufacture a card. Wow. So this is like a 1 of 1. There it is. Of Keith Lee. And it's autographed. Holy smokes. What a pack. Wow. Outstanding. All right. Keith Lee autoed printing plate. That is awesome. Sweet. Great box. Aaliyah. Yes, you are. Molly Holly. Memorable entrances. There's John Cena. Very nice. Sheamus there. Mandy Rose. Looking pretty rosy. Wow, an autographed printing plate. Snap. This is awesome. I'm excited. Haven't got a printing plate. Ooh, Batista. Very nice, very nice. I'm going to keep him as a excellent Dolph Ziggler sends Otis into a rage. And we got a bedazzled sparkly card. Very nice. Got the bedazzled Spadarky card. Rookie card. Very nice. I'll take it. I'll take it. Goldberg. What's up, brother? Looking pretty butch there, buddy. Can't believe it. Bianca Belair. The Miz. King Nakamura. All right. Reggie, rookie card. Eva Marie. Shelton Benjamin and Angel Garza defeats Humberto Carrillo. Scarlett. Jay Styles. JBL. Rookie card Mace. Sam Zayn. Drew McIntyre defeats King Corbin. Kevin Owens. WrestleMania. Ooh, Hollywood Hulk Hogan defeats Lex Luger for the WCW Championship. Very cool. Rookie card Raquel Gonzalez. Who's she taking up there? Is that Asuka? Dominic Mysterio. T-Bar, rookie card. Ooh, a numbered Jeff Hardy defeats Sheamus in an Intercontinental Championship Tournament match. Numbered to 299. I know in the blaster boxes you can get, you typically get at least one numbered card. And like a film cell relic card or a matte relic card. It's kind of cool. Not sure if I pulled any autographs. Whoa! Holy cow, what a box! All right, so, holy smokes. You seeing that? 101, there's my Jimmy Uso, and I just got the 1 of 1. This box is on fire! Holy cow, a 1 of 1 Jimmy Uso. I was like, this card looks a little bit weird. What's going on with it? I was like, and I saw the 1 of 1 in the corner there, and I'm like, holy shnikes. Wow. Wow. You know what? This is going in a one touch. Yes, it is. Holy smokes. 101, guys. This is why you watch, right? I mean, holy cow. 1 of 1. Boom! One of 1. Jimmy Uso. Wow. Okay, then. That is just awesome. So there it is. 1 of 1. Jimmy Uso. Holy smokes. That is epic. That is straight up epic. That is awesome. 1 of 1. You guys got to pay attention too. I mean, I've opened so many of these. I've noticed the variations. But if you're opening this for the first time, you could totally miss that because there's nothing on the back. I mean, unless you're familiar with the cards, you could completely miss that 1 of 1. It is like, you got to look for it. Like if I were to hold it, you can't barely see it from this angle. Here's the regular Jimmy Uso card. So you got to pay attention. That just like pops out of nowhere. It's no color border. So when you're opening these guys, pay attention. You might have pulled a 1 of 1. You just don't even know it. But wow! Signed printing plate and a 1 of 1 so far. Holy cow, what a box, what a box. Big E. Wow. Holy cow, holy cow. All right. MVP. Surprising. I think I need that one. Catching up on my sets. I gotta build my little mini parallels. I'm almost done with them. I can't believe I just got one on. Oh, and we've got number to 75 AJ Styles versus John Cena. Number to 75, not too shabby for a film cell relic card. I will take it. Number to 75. Holy cow, I can't believe this. 1 of 1. John Cena, number to 75. Film cell relic. This box is insane right now. Insane. Coolest mixed tag teams. Xavier Woods. Holy cow. This is huge. Chad Gable. Chad Gable Sparkly. Ooh, Sasha Banks. Lovely Sasha Banks. She plays an amazing Mandalorian as well. Check out that series if you haven't already. Man, I'm so excited right now. I'm printing plate. It's like I got 2 1-of-1s. 2 1-of-1s. Wow. Holy cow. This is insanity right now. Karrion Kross. Rookie card, Sparkly Raquel Gonzalez. Nice. Jeff Hardy. Zelina Vega. Memorable entrances, Macho Man, King Randy Savage. And another Sparkly. So technically I've got 3 numbered cards already. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow. Man, this is epic right here. And this is our first regular pack. Alright. Dolph Ziggler, Apollo Crews. Another bedazzled card. British Bulldog, there's Asuka. I got a 1-of-1 matte relic card of her. Okay. Ricky Ash. And a number to 75, Drew McIntyre and Bobby Lashley need to be restrained. Dun, dun, dun. Goldberg wins the Universal Championship. All right, last pack to end this epic box. Holy cow. Dana Brooke. Oh, the finger poke of doom. I think I needed this one too. What an epic box. So we got a couple of bedazzled sparkly cards. Pretty cool, pretty cool. We got 2 numbered cards, 1 to 299 and 1 to 75. Not too shabby. And A number to 75, AJ Styles versus John Cena film cell relic card. A freaking Keith Lee 101 autograph printing plate. And a 1/1. Holy smokes. Holy cow. 1/1. And it's like 2 1/1s. I got 2 1/1s in a box. This is a hot box. 1/1 and a printing plate, autograph printing plate, Keith Lee. Holy cow. This is epic right here. Jimmy Uso, 1/1, and Keith Lee. Just amazing. Great box. Thanks for watching. More hobby box breaks coming up.